Hey guys, I'm Steff, and welcome to my beauty stash. Hey guys, welcome back. Thank you all so much for watching another one of my videos. Before we begin, please make sure you click on that subscribe button and ring that bell so that you never miss one of my video uploads. Today we are going to be diving into the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Bloodlust palette. I picked this palette up from Beautylish the day that it launched, and guys, I received it. So I picked it up on a Friday and I received my order the following Monday. So 3 days for me to get this palette in. I was super excited. I've been playing with it all week. Absolutely love working with this palette, guys. I have yet to meet a Jeffree Star Cosmetics eyeshadow palette or a product really that I do not like. This one is no different. I mean, hello, look at this purple velvet eyeshadow palette. I mean, the packaging is just, this is just everything, guys. And of course, I'm sure you guys have seen all over social media exactly what this palette looks like. You have a wide array of shades in there. You can create an everyday natural look, or you can do a nice purple smoky eye with fun pop of red, of green. There's just something for everyone here. This is more on the purple side because, hello, it is Bloodlust. The theme is purple. This palette retails for $54. I picked mine up at Beautylish. Of course, Jeffree Star Cosmetics has it, but I don't believe it's in stock right now. Morphe also sells it, but I'm not too sure if it's in stock on their website. You might want to check your local Morphe store if you are fortunate enough to live close to one. I do not. That way maybe you can pick it up in store and kind of just play around with the shades and see for yourself if it's something you're going to want to pick up. This was a no-brainer for me, guys. I typically buy every eyeshadow palette he comes out with. I've just loved using them. They've performed so well for me over the years, and really excited. I love that the palette is just something you want to keep out on your vanity. You want to display this. It's a conversation piece. And that's one of the main reasons why I continue to buy his eyeshadow palettes. Of course, for the quality, the performance, but for the beautiful packaging and workmanship that goes into it. So great job, Jeffree Star. Congratulations on another fantastic launch. I cannot wait to receive the Extreme Frost Highlighter, which I had to order directly from JSC.com because that is the only place that they were selling it. However, today I am going to wear the Extreme Frost Highlighter that I picked up from the holiday collection, and this one is in the shade Sour Ice. You can see that I have it on here right now. That shade, I forget the name of it, but it's going to be more of like a purpley toned highlighter. Just perfect, ideal to accompany the Bloodlust palette. So can't wait to receive that. Hope it ships out really soon. So guys, let's start playing with the new Bloodlust palette from Jeffree Star Cosmetics. If you want to see how I got this look right here, keep on watching. All right, so let's dive into this gorgeous palette. The packaging on this, guys, is just, oh, I can't get over it. I just love to run my hand across it. It's so soft, so pretty. Let's see. Now, this is going to be the second time that I use this palette. I've only used it once. I used it the day after it arrived, which was earlier this week. So, let's see. I'm going to take Your Majesty, which is this creamy whitish shade right here, and I'm going to apply that all over the eyelid. And the brushes I'll be using today are the Morphe by Jeffree Star collaboration. I believe you can still find these brushes online at Ulta as well as the Morphe website. Now I'm going to go in with Royal Pain, and I'm going to work that into my crease. Very pigmented. You need to go in really light-handed with these because the payoff is definitely there. There's a little bit of kick up in the pan, but it's not too bad, and that really doesn't bother me too much. Just dragging that out a little bit. I think that blended out really well, really nice color. Now let's see, and I'm just gonna work on this eye. I'll go do the other eye off camera just to save time. I'm gonna go in with a little bit of High King right here. And I'm gonna place that also in the crease, but slightly lower where I just placed Royal Paint. You see, I'm just placing it right there directly into the crease. Not gonna take it up as high as Royal Paint. I'm gonna kind of bring it down maybe just a little bit as well. Just a little on the eyelid. Now I'm gonna go in with the shade, let's see, I'm gonna go in with Blood Queen right here. And the same way that I just applied High King, I'm gonna do the same thing with Blood Queen, only just a little bit lower, getting it more on the eyelid and kind of the lower part of the crease. Now I'm gonna go back in with High King. Just keep working that in the crease. Now I'm going to go back in with Royal Paint. I like that. I like the way those shades blended well with each other, blended into each other. Really, really like that. Now I hope I can do the same thing with the other eye. Now I'm going to deepen up the crease a little bit, and for that I'm going to go in with Dungeon right here, focusing that on the outer corner, kind of just stamping it first. Now I'm going to go back in with Blood Queen. Just kind of bringing that back a little bit. Now I'm going to go back in with High King. Just kind of blend over top of that dark shade Dungeon. Got a little bit of fallout right there. Not bad for working with these dark shades. Now I'm just going to take whatever's left on my blending brush from the shade Royal Paint. And I'm just gonna go over really light-handed and just bring everything out a little bit and do a little wing with the shadow there, you see? I know it's another purple and pink eye, but what can I say? I love these colors, and that's what's in the palette that we have in front of us, so. All right, now I've been wanting to try this shade Bleeding Heart, which is this red shade right here. I don't know. And then I've tried Wet Jewel. That one applied really, really well. That's a new formula that he has. Pink Magic worked really nice too. I'm also liking Sworn Enemy, which is this green shade right here. But I think I'm gonna try this one. Let's see. I'm gonna use a little brush, and I'm probably going to wet it. Let me see. I'm gonna go in with this other brush. This is from Sephora. And I'm going to spray my brush with some Mario Badescu's facial spray. I'm gonna pick up Bleeding Heart, and I'm gonna apply that on the eyelid. I actually think I'm gonna just leave it there. I was actually gonna apply it all over the eyelid, but like more towards the middle to inner part, but I think I'm gonna leave it there, and that way I can try another shade. Let me see, I'm gonna go in, I haven't used Betrayal. Let's try Betrayal. I'm gonna go over top of the red. I'm gonna go back in and pick up a little more Bleeding Heart. Okay. Well, I'm liking everything. Everything's looking really good. Now I'm gonna take a little bit of Beauty Sleep, and I'm gonna work that in the inner corner. I'm going to use that same brush I was just using, wiping it off. And I'm going to go in, let's see. I wonder if I do the red on the bottom. I'm going to go back in with Bleeding Heart. This may or may not be a mistake, which is that red shade. I'm going to apply that all over the lower lash line. Now I'm going to go and pick up, ooh, I'm going to try this one. I'm going to try Executioner. And I'm also going to work that on the lower lash line, but I'm going to use a eyeliner brush for that one. That became an instant eyeliner. Okay, now I need to blend that out. I'm going to go back in with Bleeding Heart. Just kind of go under where I lay down that black shade. Now I'm going to go back in and I feel like I need to blend out this shade right here. So I'm just going to take a little bit of Bleeding Queen and start working just to blend a little bit better. So I'm going to take care of this eye off camera. I'm going to apply eyeliner and mascara as well. I'll jump back on and I'll show you guys the completed look. So guys, this is the almost completed look. We have one more thing that we are going to add to this look, and that is a highlighter. I have no highlighter on my face. Now, I ordered the Extreme Frost highlighter that accompanies the Bloodlust collection, but that has not been shipped out yet. I had to order that straight from Jeffree Star Cosmetics, and as I told you guys earlier, I ordered the Bloodlust palette from Beautylish. So I'm going to use another Extreme Frost highlighter that I have from the holiday collection, and this one is in the shade Sour Ice. I did do a review video over this along with my mystery box unboxing. I will be sure to leave a link to that up above so you guys can check that out. Got a lot of cool stuff. Can't wait to pick up another mystery box whenever he does have them available. And please don't wear this highlighter unless you want to be seen, because this highlighter really just takes it to the next level. Whoa. You can see there, this is extreme. It lives up to its name. And he does recommend applying this with your finger and just blending it on top of your cheekbone, a little on the forehead, wherever you want to glow. Now the shade that accompanies that collection is more on the purple tone side. This one is more of like a greenish undertone. And while I wouldn't necessarily pair it with this look, I did just want to use it because it's the Extreme Frost highlight. But wow, like it's just, ooh, look at that. I love it. I love highlighter, you know, and I just love experimenting with makeup and you just, you know, see what works, what doesn't. It's no big deal. It comes off, you know, and really guys, there are no rules when it comes to makeup. You know, you just do you do what feels right, what you think looks good, and doesn't really matter what other people think, you know, as long as you're liking it, that's what matters. I want to see if maybe, no, I was going to put a little bit on my eyelid. Sometimes I like to do that, like tie in the highlighter to the eye look, but no, I'm going to leave the eye look as is. So guys, let me spray a little bit of the Morphe Jeffree Star Continuous Mist Setting spray. I'm almost out of this. So guys, what do you think about this completed look using the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Bloodlust palette? Guys, I love his palettes. I have yet to be disappointed with any eyeshadow palette that I've purchased from JSC. I mean, just look at the packaging alone, guys. You're not going to get this anywhere else. Like, this is Jeffree Star. This is a moment in time. I love it. I don't have any other purple velvet eyeshadow palettes. I don't have any velvet eyeshadow palettes in my collection, especially one this fancy. So this is definitely something you're going to want to display. The quality, guys, of the eyeshadows is top notch. He's a makeup artist, you know, he pays attention to all the little details, and he makes sure that whatever he is going to put his name on is going to be the absolute best. These shadows did not disappoint. If you're a fan of Jeffree Star, if you love his makeup looks, just his brand in general, you're definitely going to want to have this in your collection. It retails for $54, and I believe it might be in stock right now on Beautylish. So definitely check out Beautylish, check out the Morphe Brushes website, also check out the Jeffree Star Cosmetics website, and I want to say maybe Beauty Bay sells it. I'm not too sure. I know for sure those three retailers, but this is in Morphe stores also if it's not currently sold out. Love it, guys. Have you picked it up? Are you going to pick it up? Sound off below. Leave me a comment. What did you think of today's eye look? I'd love to hear your feedback. I am not the best when it comes to wing eyeliner, guys. I always have trouble, and today was no different. So I'm there with you if you have trouble as well with your eyeliner. Hi, hello. I don't know how to do a wing. So that completes today's tutorial using the new Jeffree Star Cosmetics Bloodlust palette. I want to say welcome to all of my new subscribers. Thank you all so much for being here. I hope you are enjoying all of the content here on my channel. You guys have a great day or night, wherever it is you all are at. Stay hydrated, guys. Drink your water, and I will see you all real soon. Bye.